to us.
Well, she must know something. I mean, she made these dolls.
She made these?
Yeah.
Well, why did she make them look like us?
I don't know.
Why didn't you tell me about them?
Well, why would I? She's a kid. She plays with all kinds of stuff.
Yeah, I suppose so. Well, come on, let's find her. Where are we?
You should know. You use this place.
I haven't been in here for ages. Plus, everything looks different.
I don't know, to be honest with you.
Oh, there's a
Twisted version of reality. Look, it's Rose! Rose! Honey!
book.
Yeah, that is.
Where's the book?
Where are we gonna get
Can't
shot
hear
off to
us.
this time?
Oh no.
How are we gonna get over there now?
I can help.
What?
What was that?
Is it the elephant?
Who was it?
I don't know.
Over here.
Look!
I know the way.
Is that a hammer?
Is it?
I'll take you there if you help
It's
me
a
save
hammer
my
head.
friends.
What friends?
My tool friends. We used to be important and taken care of, but that human locked us up in her toolbox and left.
You mean May's toolbox?
Yes, yes! That heartless woman. Do you know her?
Well, yeah.
No, he doesn't. Anyway, I heard that heartless woman got a new job in town and doesn't have time for our hobbies anymore.
Who cares about hobbies? Do you know how painful it is to die from rust? It's like burning alive, slowly.
But look, Hammer, there's some rust remover spray in that tool cabinet. We can help save your friends, but only if you can get us to Rose over there.
Okay, it's a deal. Pick me up.
Okay?
Now, go to that big door over there. Pull that nail out. We're gonna need it.
Okay, here goes.
Whoa! Where'd it go?
Just whistle.
What? Really? Oh!
Wow.
Cool. We got a flying
gosh,
nail
it's
and a
like,
talking hammer. Let's
Little
go.
arrow thing that-
Hey, look at this. All right.
Yeah, these arrow.
Yeah.
Be careful with that nail, Cody. I don't want it in my eye.
Okay, well, don't drop that hammer on my toe.
Don't worry, I know how to handle tools.
Oh, yeah? Well, me too.
Last time you used a hammer, you smashed your own thumb.
Yeah, well, I guess I did. But I'm in charge of the nail now.
Okay, okay. Just be careful.
What if I did? What if I did this? Did I jump on it anymore? Or no?
What? Ready?
Oh, do it again, do it again.
Are you over there?
Yep.
Ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1.
Good question. Oh, what the hell? What the HL?
This is so satisfying.
Stop, I don't have a fucking clue.
Wait.
Oh, you're gonna hit it, yeah.
And then
Yeah.
it'll go through.
Gotcha.
Now we got it.
I'll back up. And...
Heck yeah.
Okay, that makes sense.
Look at that.
There was something with the yellow, 'cause
I was like,
I kept throwing it at the yellow spots. I'm like, what the fuck? We could have done that on the other side. Okay.
Hey, maybe we can swing off that nail.
How is it? You.
Steady now. Sweet moves. I like your style, man.
Oh, thanks, Hammer.
Oh shit, wrong button.
There's another nail. Let's go get it.
Yoo-hoo! Still over here! Hello? The bridge, please!
Oh, I got two now.
Sweet! More ammunition! I think I'm gonna be sick!
You good?
I'm just gonna keep going until you say so. I have more things to hit.
Get over here. Oh, hold up. Hit it. Yeah, actually, I think I need to be done. I forgot. Hit it again. No, we both did that. Bottle. It's funny to watch. Yep, really. Such a child.
There are no relationships without challenges. Challenges make you grow. What is it with you? Can't you just leave us alone? Well, when you're willing to face a challenge, you always learn something new. So remember, when you hear this sound, follow it. Keep following it, and you will find the challenge you seek. Yeah! Welcome to your first couples challenge. Win or lose, you must do it together.
What's in the box?
Whack-a-mole.
What's in the box?
All right, you want to give it a try?
We haven't got time
No.
for this.
Oh, you afraid of losing?
Me? Oh, no way. Bring it on.
Oh, I'm gonna bring it.
Watch your head, Cody.
Oh, you won't beat me. I'm faster than a mole.
My hammer's faster than that.
You missed!
Damn it.
Bingo!
Next.
Peekaboo! Oh!
Slammed it.
Too slow!
What? I literally hit that like 3 times.
Yama!
What do you mean? I'm hitting it!
Alrighty!
See you next time.
Oh my god.
Oh, my goodness. What?
Double jump.
Ah, the sweet sounds of
Sabotage
machinery.
it.
There's nothing better.
Oh no. You need to go up top. You need to go up top. There you go, there.
Hold on tight.
Oh, I think I. Oh, wait, no. Maybe that's what I'm doing. I don't know if I-
There's another machine in the way here, Cody.
Look at him fly.
Oh, you got it.